Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable Poofy Christmas deco mesh wreath. What you will need, I have an adorable sign for the center. It's so cute and precious. I have a wreath ring that already has the chenille stems attached, 21-inch long deco mesh in red, and 6-inch black and white deco mesh. Also chenille stems, scissors, and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. So I have already raised all of my chenille stems. I just find it easier to raise them before I start placing my mesh. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my 21-inch long deco mesh, fold it to a nice point, pick a chenille stem. I like to start on the outer ring, place my mesh, and twist it a couple of times. Then I'm going to pull my mesh to make a nice poof. The size of the poof is completely up to you. Just make sure they're as uniform as possible. Go to the next chenille stem, place my mesh, and twist it again. And I'm going to repeat this step all the way around the outer ring. Alright, so once I get back to my starting point, so I'm going to make a poof, unravel, place my mesh, and twist it back. And you can either cut away the deco mesh here or you can continue on the inner ring. I'm going to continue on. So what I'm going to do is to pull my mesh, make a nice little poof, and place it on the next inner chenille stem. And twist it a couple of times. And just repeat the same steps that I performed on the outer ring. Alright, once you're all done, I'm just fluffing up my mesh, making sure it's nice and poofy. Then what I'm going to do is take my white deco mesh, roll it at a nice little point, and take a piece of the black deco mesh, roll it as well, crisscross them one on top of the other. And I decided to add a piece of red glitter ribbon, scrunch it all together, pick a chenille stem, and twist it in place. And then tuck it away. I decided to add the red glitter ribbon just because I thought it would be really cute. So I'm going to repeat the same steps again. One piece of white deco mesh, one piece of black, and my red glitter ribbon. Scrunch it all together, go to the next chenille stem, and place my bundle. I'm going to repeat this step all the way around the ring. Now, you can place your bundles in every other stem. You can place it in every single stem. You can add more pieces of mesh to each bundle. It's completely up to you. But I'm going to get my bundles placed and show you what it's looking like. So I have all of my bundles in place. They look so cute and precious. Again, add as much or as few as you prefer. Now it's time to work on our sign. And this was a yard sign. I just took off the back stake so that the sign can easily fit in the center of my wreath. So I'm going to take two chenille stems, twist them a couple of times, place it at the top of my sign, and two more chenille stems for the bottom of my sign. And I'm going to use hot glue to glue the stems to my sign. And I want to make sure I have my chenille stems hanging off the side of the sign so that I can easily attach it to my wreath. Now what I'm going to do is push the mesh towards the outside of the wreath because I don't want to cover up any of the mesh with my sign. And I'm going to snugly fit my sign in the center of my wreath. Once I have it snugly in place, I'm going to start attaching the chenille stems to the actual wreath ring. So I'm going to take my chenille stem, twist it around my wreath ring a couple of times, just to make sure it's nice and secure. And I'm going to repeat this step with all 4 stems, twisting them around the wreath, making sure it's nice and secure. And once you're done, just maneuver and adjust it, fluff it up, make sure everything looks so cute and precious, make sure you don't have any gaps or spaces, and you are all done. So cute, simple, and easy to make. Add in any additional embellishments you'd like, add a bow, add ornaments, just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's so cute, precious, and simple to make.